Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Before you do anything, if you're looking at this on YouTube, look below where the video is, down to your bottom right hand corner, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video, which is approximately once a day. There is more information about online and offline marketing on this channel for free than there is in 99% of the info products that you buy. Now, in this video, I want to talk, this is a continuation of a series that we're doing about press releases, and I want to talk to you in this video about where to publish your press release. Now, there are a lot of places online to publish press releases. This next thing may sound a little negative, but frankly, to my mind, or at least for my purposes and for the purposes of the clients that I work with, most of them are junk. I'll explain to you why. You know, a lot of marketers, trainers, and the like suggest publishing your press release on various inexpensive platforms. Well, press release platforms, just like automobiles, just like restaurant meals, just like wine or anything else that you buy, you get what you pay for. Now, an inexpensive platform might be okay if your only goal is to create a lot of backlinks and you're really not worried about the quality of those backlinks. In other words, the authority of the site that they come from. And if that's your deal, go cheap, because you'll create a lot of backlinks and hopefully it will do whatever you want to do. That's not what we're talking about here. That is a specific search engine optimization type thing. And although that is important with press releases, you know, with any publication of press releases, that's not the main reason that I suggest that businesses publish press releases. So I suggest that you go for a higher end platform that real professionals use. That has worked. You know, I've been working with businesses and press releases for 10 years now, and the higher end platforms always work better for me and my clients. Now, I want to get off the slide for a second. I want to go online real fast, and I want to show you my favorite place to publish press releases. It's not the only place, but it's my favorite place. This is a website called prweb.com, prweb.com. You can see it right here. Now, just so you know, I get no monetary benefit from telling you about prweb. I do not have an affiliate relationship with prweb. I'm just telling you this because it works so well for me. It's owned by a company called Cision, and they own a number of higher end press release platforms. You can go here, you can read all about it. They've got excellent materials. They've got excellent, you know, you can read how it works right here. So you can read all of that. You can learn a lot about how to write press releases and how to publish press releases just right on their site. But what I want to do right now is I want to take you to their pricing page, and I want to show you the various packages. Now, I'm not going to sit here and read this whole thing to you because that would be remarkably boring. You can go here yourself. It's at service.prweb.com, pricing, compare-packages. So if you will just see that URL right there, now I'm going to highlight it for a minute. So if you want to type it into your browser, you can do that. And that will take you to this page. This page right here is honestly a little bit difficult to find from the home page. Whenever I want to find this page, I just type in prweb pricing into Google and it will bring up this page. But anyway, you can see the various levels. These are subscriptions right here, Web Influence and Web Power. But if you're just publishing one press release, it's a one-shot deal. You can see the 4 levels that you could publish at: basic, standard, advanced, and premium. And if you will look down here and look at these green checks, you can see what all you get with each level. Now, which one I choose really depends on who I'm working with and the exact press release. Whether we have multimedia content embedded in the press release, you're going to need a bigger package over here. You know, and also, quite frankly, the budget of the client. Having said that, I never use basic. I'm sure basic is fine. It's just too basic for me. I never use basic. I always start clients at standard. So for my clients, standard, which is right at $190 a month. So let's $190 for the publication of the press release. So let's say $200 for round figuring. $200, $300, $400. I mean, that's a good way to remember it. This is in US dollars, by the way. But standard would be where I would start a client. I would hopefully push them up to advanced. And again, if I've got multimedia, then we're going to have to use a little more expensive package over here. That's really the only thing I wanted to tell you. I never use basic. I mean, you can read what you get. And basic, if basic is all that you can afford or all that your client can afford, then fine, use basic. But you're going to get a lot more bang for the buck if you use standard, advanced, or premium. Awesome. Thank you so much. Continue looking at the videos in this playlist. I've got more to tell you about businesses, press releases, and your business. Thank you so much. I'm Lee Cole. Talk to you very soon.